Welcome back. Today we are doing a deep forensic dive into one of the most persistent and dangerous scams circulating in the crypto space right now. If you have been searching for passive income, MEV bots, or Uniswap Arbitrage on YouTube or TikTok, you have likely seen a video telling you to copy-paste this exact code into Remix. The video usually promises that this script will scan the mempool, the memory pool where pending transactions sit, and front-run them to generate profit for you. It sounds incredible, right? Who wouldn't want a bot that prints Ethereum while they sleep? But today I'm going to show you why this code is a lie. This is not a trading bot. It is a wallet drainer designed to steal your funds the moment you try to use it. Let's look at the code you see on the screen. At first glance, it looks very professional. Scammers know that most people don't know how to read Solidity, the programming language of Ethereum. So they pack the script with legitimate-looking imports. You see references to ERC20, Uniswap v2 router, and Uniswap v2 pair. These are real interfaces used in decentralized finance. By including them, the scammer builds a false sense of security. They want you to think, oh, this code interacts with Uniswap, so it must be real. Scroll down a bit and you see functions with impressive names. Look at the function called mempool or the one called estimateTriDexTrade. They act as smoke and mirrors. If you actually analyze the logic inside these functions, you realize they are mostly nonsense or redundant code that never actually gets executed in the way you think. They exist solely to make the file look complex and sophisticated. But now let's play detective. Where is the trap? In Solidity, a smart contract does exactly what it is programmed to do, not what the comments say it does. The scam relies on obfuscation, hiding the malicious code in plain sight. Focus your attention on line 33. You will see a variable defined as uint256 DexRouter. It is assigned a massive, random-looking number. 12238495003190433, and so on. To a beginner, this looks like some sort of ID or threshold number. But in reality, this is the scammer's wallet address. You see, Ethereum addresses are typically written in hexadecimal format, that familiar string starting with 0x. But they can also be converted into decimal numbers. That is exactly what the scammer has done here. They took their own wallet address, converted it into this huge integer, and hid it in a variable named DexRouter to trick you into thinking it's part of the trading logic. Now, follow the logic down to lines 43 and 44. There is a helper function called getDexRouter. What does it do? It takes that massive number and converts it back into an address type using address, uint160_uint value. This reveals the attacker's destination address. And finally, we find the kill switch. Look at the function start arbitrage native. This is the function the instructions will tell you to run after you have deposited your Ethereum into the contract. You think you are starting the bot. But look at the code on line 45. It says payable trade router .transfer address this .balance. There is no trading. There is no arbitrage. There is no mempool scanning. That single line of code instructs the contract to take the entire balance, every single way you deposit it, and transfer it directly to the trade router address, which we already established is the scammer's wallet. Another psychological trick they use is at the very top of the file. Notice the comment that says testnet transactions will fail. They tell you this to prevent you from testing the code on a safe network like Sepolia or GoEarly. They know that if you tested it there, you would realize it doesn't work. They need you to deploy this on the Ethereum mainnet with real money immediately. Real MEV bots and arbitrage strategies are incredibly complex. They require off-chain infrastructure, low-latency nodes, and thousands of lines of optimized code. They are not single files you can copy-paste into a browser IDE like Remix. So, what happens if you fall for this? You deploy the contract, you pay the gas fees, and you fund it with, say, 0.5 or 1 ETH expecting high returns. You click Start, and within seconds your balance hits zero. You check Etherscan, and you see your money has moved to a stranger's wallet, often one that holds hundreds of thousands of dollars in stolen funds. Please never copy and paste code you do not fully understand. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. We at ArcOfLife AI analyze these scripts daily to keep you safe. If you ever find a contract and you are unsure if it is safe, reach out to us before you deploy. Don't let your greed for quick profits turn you into another victim. Stay skeptical and stay safe. This investigation was brought to you by ArcOfLife AI. We are here to help you navigate the blockchain safely. For professional audits and direct support, check the links in the description below. Finally, a disclaimer. This content is for educational and awareness purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay safe.